Generative AI is transforming the way we live, work, and learn. From creating human-like text to drive new discoveries, this groundbreaking technology is expanding what's possible and redefining industries worldwide. And education is no exception.
We are at a turning point, one that will redefine how teaching and learning are approached for generations to come. This is your opportunity to master the skills needed to harness the power of ChatGPT and thrive in this exciting new era of education. Imagine saving time, unleashing your creativity, and making a lasting impact in your classroom. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or a complete beginner, we will guide you step by step to make the most of this transformative tool.
This is more than just a course. It's a movement empowering educators like you to shape the future of learning with ChatGPT and real-world applications. Together, we can redefine education for generations to come. Hi, I'm Crystal.
I'm Mathias.
And I'm Sally. We're your instructors for this exciting journey.
We will start by uncovering what generative AI is and how it's changing the way we approach education. Then, we will dive into the exciting world of large language models and learn how to craft prompts that truly bring out the best in ChatGPT. You will also gain practical strategies to simplify daily routines and focus on what matters most: teaching.
After mastering the art of crafting effective prompts, we'll bring them to life by applying them to real-world teaching scenarios. We'll explore how to use ChatGPT to create lessons that captivate your students and assessments that truly measure their progress. You'll discover how ChatGPT can personalize learning plans, simplify complex topics, and spark fresh ideas for your teaching. These strategies will save you time and make learning more meaningful for your students.
With your ChatGPT skills honed, we'll turn our attention to empowering your students like never before. You'll explore how to leverage AI to ignite critical thinking, solve real-world challenges, and create interactive activities that inspire students to take ownership of their learning. By the end of this course, you'll walk away equipped with innovative strategies and the confidence to transform your classroom into a space where curiosity thrives and learning truly comes alive. Don't just keep up with the future of education, lead it. Enroll today and let's revolutionize teaching together.